The Innokin DV Pod System is vying to be your daily vaping device. This pod mod has a few cool features that we think you'll really enjoy. Now, if you've already been eyeing this or you want to dive deeper into the specs, head on over to vapewild.com by checking the link in the upper right hand corner. The Innokin DV is a tiny titan and it houses a 500 mAh battery. Now, this battery may not last the entire day, but it's definitely good for your workday or that fun night out. The DV is pretty cool in the sense that it can draw to fire or push to fire. The option is wholly up to you. Now guess what? You can also pick your wattage as well. Yep, the variable wattage is a go. Now to the pods. Each pod has a 2.8 ml capacity and is super simple to refill. Just pop the stopper at the bottom, put your bottle in and squeeze away. The coil inside is a 0.5 Plex 3D mesh coil and has a range of 12 watts to 15 watts and has a pulp cotton blended wick. Now after trying it out, I must say the flavor is 100% on point, and I find myself puffing a little more than usual. If you want a pod mod that's flexible to your needs, tiny, and has pods that are tasty, get yourself the DV today. If you like this content and you'd like to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, want to get 120 mils of e-liquid for just $1? Click the link down in the description below.